After 3 days of exploring the area around Chiang Rai, it was about time for a change of location. As you already know, the Moto Preacher really loves his sunsets. And as a full-blown nature spectacle addict, he also has a thing for sunrises. Oh yeah! You heard about a good spot west of Chiang Rai at Kang near the Myanmar border. With a full tank and a free mind, he twisted the throttle toward his next destination. Of course, he would take a detour through the mountains and the lush jungle, because taking the straight route would be too boring. Sometimes you just have to stop and take in the scenery. Lover, the drive through the twisties left him thirsty and craving one. He hoped to find a place to get his caffeine fix. Coffee, 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 coffee! A relic from days long gone, but it was a banger, boss. Technology had let him down, or in this case, up the wrong route. Fortunately, it led to a pleasant mountain view. And so he was back on the right track. Detour had put him behind schedule, and he had to make up for lost time, just like this little fella. saddle were taking their toll, and his ass started complaining and demanding a break.
Excuse me, I'd like to ask for a short break.
After some negotiation, he finally pulled over. What's that all about?
Well, since I'm apparently a YouTuber now, I figured I'd make some over-the-top cinematic shots of the motorcycle, just like all the other YouTubers do, to flex my awesome editing skills.
I don't know, boss. That music doesn't really suit your groovy sexiness, boss. I would have done it differently.
Oh yeah? Like how?
Like this. Now we're talking. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, just like that. Wait a minute. Hold on. Joey, rewind the tape.
Alright, boss.
Stop it right there! What's that, huh? Why were you hiding in the bushes? Are you trying to distract from the fact that you only stopped there to take a shit and that these so-called cinematic shots are just a lame cover-up?
No, I told you I just wanted to get some cinematic shots of the bike because people seem to love that stuff.
Come on, boss. Be honest. You can tell me. You know I'm an expert when it comes to fecal matter. Remember how we first met? Careful, Frankie.
I did not take a shit.
Alright. By the way, for those of you tuning in for the first time, if you want to know how the Moto Preacher and I first met, check out episode 5 of the Northern Thailand loop.
Will you please continue now?
Alright, thy wish is my command. Joey, you heard the boss. Roll the tape.
Alright, boss.
I got left behind. Oh. I guess I'm all alone now. Time for an adventure. Whee!
Adventures of Turd Boy.
There's a light coming from the hole over there. I wonder where it leads.
Will the Moto Preacher get to see his beloved sunrise? And what is that little shit boy?
Hey, it's Turd Boy.
Excuse me. And what is that little turd boy up to? Find out in part 2 of this episode. Family. Leave your brain farts in the comments.